So children, we have learned quite a new stuffs in addition process. So shall we do a quick recap of whatever we have learned till now? So what all we learned? We learned additional facts, then we learned counting by beads, we learned counting using fingers, and we also learned how to count by drawing the pictures and counting them with the numbers, right? So now I will be giving you few exercise questions and you will be doing along with me and finding the answers. Shall we do a quick recap? Okay, fine. So now the very first question which I will give you is this. Now 2 plus 3 will be what? I will give you 3 answers. You need to select the correct answer for this. Okay. So shall we do the counting using the finger method? Okay. What you will do? You will keep 2 in one hand and 3 in another hand. So what is the total here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is the correct answer, children? It is number 5. So I will put a tick on number 5. Okay. Fine. So the next question which I will give you is 1 plus 5. So now 1 plus 5 will give me what answer? You need to find and tell me. Now what will I do? I need to give 5 in one hand and 1 in another hand. Shall I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So my answer is 6. Very good. So the next question which comes here is 3 plus 4 is equals to what? You need to find and tell me the answer. So what you will do? You will keep 3 in one hand and 4 in another hand. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is my answer? My answer is 7. Fine. So let us come to the next question, which is 7 plus 2 is equals to what? So what I need to do, children, here? I need to keep 7 fingers in together, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and add 2 extra. So 8 and 9. So how many fingers I have? The answer for this question is 9. Very good. The next question which comes here is 4 plus 4 is equals to what? So here comes your answer. What you need to do, children? You need to have 4 in one hand and 4 in another hand. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is my answer? My answer is 8. The next question, 6 plus 3 is equals to what? So you need to again find out the answer for this question. So what we need to do? We need to keep 6 fingers in the hand. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and add how many? 3. So 7, 8, 9. So what is my answer? The answer is 9. So was it useful for you, children? It was very easy, right? So now I will be giving you the next revision for the addition facts what we learned. Now I will be giving you a few numbers and you need to find me the addition fact for that particular number. So now we are going to find the addition fact for number 8. Facts for number 8. Okay. I will be giving you 4 numbers, and whichever number will make the addition fact for 8, you need to color that number. Okay. So the first question is, I have 4, 1, 3, 7, 6. So what is the addition fact, children? Here, what numbers if I add, will I get the number 8? Yes. So if I select number 1 and number 7, I will get the addition fact of number 8. So shall we try adding with the fingers? 7 when added with 1 will give me the answer 8. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Shall we try with the next question? So now, what is the addition fact? How can we frame number 8 here? So, when I select number 6, what you have to add to 6 to make it 8? 7 and 8. So, what is the next number which you will color? Very good, it is number 2. So, 6 when added with 2 will give me the number 8. So, is there any other number which will form number 8, children? Just see and tell. Yes, there is one more number, right? If I have 5 fingers in one hand and I add 3 more, 6, 7, 8. Do I get the answer? Yes. So, what will I do? I will shade this number 5 and number 3 also. Yes? So, one more question for you. So, what is the addition fact here, children? What is the addition fact? Very good. You need to shade number 7 and number 1. So, 7 plus 1 will make number 8. So, was it interesting? Shall I give you the question for number 9? Shall we do it? Okay. So, the next one is, you need to find the addition facts for number 9. Okay. So, I will give you your questions here. So, which numbers if you select will give you the answer 9? Just see the board and tell me. Very good. If I select number 4 and add it with number 5, I get number 9. Is there any other addition fact? Yes. If I add 1 and 8, I get 9. So, what are the addition facts here? 1 and 8 makes 9. Similarly, 4 and 5 makes 9. Shall we do with the next question? So, what is the combination here? See the board and tell. Very good. When I add 2 along with 7, it gives me the number 9. Is there any other numbers in which we can make 9? Yes, there is one more addition fact, that is 3 and 6. Fine. So shall we do a quick recap of what we have learnt now? Yes. So for addition fact 8, what was the possibilities here? 1 and 7. Why we could not add 4 and 3? Shall we try? Say if I take 4 in hand and 3 in another hand, what is the total I get? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But I want the answer number 8. So 4 and 3 is not possible. Now if I take 3 and 6, say I take 6 fingers, then 7, 8, 9. Again my answer is not matching. So there is only one possibility, which is 1 and 7. Shall we try? 7 fingers, when I add 1, it makes 8. So is the answer correct? Yes. The next one, if I add 1 and 2, 2 and 1, what is the answer I get? 3. So it does not solve my purpose. If I take 2 and 6, say 2 in one hand and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So am I getting the answer? Yes. So 2 and 6 will make one possibility. And same thing 5 and 3. If I take 5 fingers in one hand and 3, shall I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So do I get the answer? Yes. So the two possibilities are 2 and 6 and 5 and 3. Right, there are two possibilities here. In the next question, again see 9 is there. If I have 9 fingers and I add 2 more, it is 10 and 11. But I need the answer 8. So it does not match. Now if I add 2 and 3, I keep 2 fingers and I keep 3 fingers. If I add together, what is my number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, this does not solve my purpose. Now, if I add here 7 plus 1, does it solve? Yes. So, here I have only one combination, which is 7 and 1. Clear, children? Yes. So, shall we do it for number 9? Shall we check whatever answer we have selected is correct or not? Okay, fine. I have selected 4 and 5, right? I keep 4 in one hand and 5 in one hand. What is the total I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So is it matching here? Yes. What is the next possibility we selected? 1 and 8. I keep 8 fingers and then when I add one more, it becomes 9. So the second possibility is 1 and 8. So is it correct? Yes, the option is correct. Coming to the second one, if I add 3 with 4, does it make an answer? Just try. 3 in one hand, 4 in one hand. What is the total I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it does not solve my purpose. If I add 3 with 6, does it solve? 6, 7, 8, 9. So my first combination is 3 and 6. If I add 2 and 7, 7, 8, 9. So does it solve my purpose? Yes. So what are the two different options here? It is 3 and 6 and 7 and 2. So children, I hope all the methods are very clear with you and you have enjoyed doing all the exercises with me. Yes, so it was fun learning addition using different methods.